Custom iPhone case adds USB-C, no disassembly needed. USB-C iPhone solution. What if your old iPhone could suddenly keep up with the future? A groundbreaking new case is making that possible, and is sparking debates about innovation, sustainability, and the ethics of tech upgrades. Imagine adding a modern USB-C port to your Lightning-equipped iPhone without opening the device, using tools, or sacrificing functionality. That's exactly what engineer Ken Pillonel has achieved with his latest creation, a custom case that bridges the gap between legacy devices and the USB-C era. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a triumph for user freedom, or just a clever workaround for a problem Apple should have solved itself? Let's dive in. Pillonel, the visionary behind the first USB-C iPhone prototype in 2021, has turned his one-off experiment into a practical solution for everyday users. His new case isn't just a port adapter, it's a full-featured upgrade. By slipping the device over your iPhone, it adds a working USB-C port that supports fast charging, seamless data transfer, and even CarPlay. The magic lies in the custom circuitry inside the case, which handles power delivery and data speeds without overheating or breaking under load, problems that plague many third-party adapters. And the best part? No disassembly required. This means your device stays intact, preserving its warranty and resale value. But here's the twist: Pillonel designed this not just as a tech hack, but as a direct challenge to planned obsolescence. He argues that users should be able to extend the life of their devices without being forced into expensive upgrades or relying on fragile, proprietary accessories. This aligns with the growing right-to-repair movement, which advocates for more sustainable tech practices. Yet, some critics question whether this case truly addresses the root issue. After all, Apple's shift to USB-C on newer iPhones, starting with the iPhone 15 in 2023, was partly driven by EU regulations, not just corporate strategy. So, is this case a lifeline for older devices, or a temporary fix that lets Apple continue phasing out Lightning ports? The sustainability angle can't be ignored. While Apple has made USB-C standard on newer models, millions of Lightning iPhones are still in use. Pillonel's case gives these devices a second life, letting users modernize their setup without buying a new phone. His YouTube video, set to debut on July 23, will walk through the tech in detail. And it's not his first foray into USB-C hacks. Earlier this year, he unveiled a similar case for AirPods, which repair communities hail as a game-changer. Still, questions linger. For instance, the case isn't available for purchase yet, and Pillonel hasn't disclosed pricing or production timelines. Even if it hits the market, it won't magically extend Apple's software support for older devices. The iPhone 15's USB-C debut and iOS 20's iXS backward compatibility, supporting phones from 2019, suggests Apple isn't abandoning Lightning users entirely. But for those clinging to pre-2023 iPhones, Pillonel's case could be a bridge to the future, until the iPhone 16e and used iPhone 15 models tempt them to upgrade. And this is the part most people miss. The case doesn't just add a port, it redefines how we think about device life cycles. Is Apple's Lightning to USB-C transition a necessary evolution, or a calculated move to push users toward newer hardware? Pillonel's work forces us to confront that question. What do you think? Is this case a step toward a more sustainable tech future, or a symptom of a system designed to keep us upgrading? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation that matters. Turn your Lightning iPhone into USB-C with this innovative case. Stuck in the past, is your iPhone's Lightning port holding you back? Are you tired of being the only one with a Lightning port in a sea of USB-C devices? You're not alone. With the tech world largely embracing USB-C, from laptops and tablets to Nintendo Switch consoles and portable fans, it's becoming increasingly frustrating to be tethered to the older standard, especially if your trusty iPhone is the culprit. The Great USB-C Shift, a brief history. Apple made the leap to USB-C with the iPhone 15 line, but for those who haven't upgraded, the wait can be daunting. Meanwhile, other Apple devices like Macs and iPads have been enjoying the benefits of USB-C for much longer. Fast forward to 2025, and it's likely your iPhone is the lone Lightning port in your arsenal. The dilemma: upgrade or adapt. Upgrading to a newer iPhone is one solution, but what if your current device still meets all your needs? That's where innovation steps in. Enter the IPH0N3 USB-C protection case by Obsolescence, a game-changing accessory that converts your iPhone's Lightning port into a versatile USB-C port, all for approximately $50 to $60. Compatibility galore. This ingenious case supports a wide range of iPhone models, including iPhone 14 line, iPhone 13 line, iPhone 12 line, iPhone 11 line, iPhone XS line, iPhone SE models, and many more. Explore all compatible models on the Obsolescence website. Seamless functionality. Enjoy uninterrupted wireless charging, MagSafe charging, and fast charging with the case. However, here's where it gets nuanced. Accessories that draw power from your iPhone, such as wired audio devices, external storage, or displays, won't be compatible. A small trade-off for the convenience of USB-C. Your turn. Are you eager to bridge the USB-C gap with this innovative case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Discover more essential iPhone accessories. AirPods Pro 2, now discounted to $169, originally $249. MagSafe car mount for iPhone. HomeKit Smart Plug 4-pack. 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack. 100W USB-C fast charging power adapter. Stay ahead with 9 to 5 Mac. Add us to your Google News feed for the latest tech insights. Transparency note. We utilize income-earning auto affiliate links. Learn more about our policy. Engineers USB-C iPhone case, give your old iPhone a modern port. Imagine breathing new life into your older iPhone by simply slipping on a specially designed case that transforms its outdated port into a modern USB-C connection. This is exactly what engineer Ken Pillonel has accomplished, and the implications are both exciting and, for some, downright controversial. But here's where it gets even more interesting. While Apple has long used its proprietary Lightning port on iPhones, Pillonel's innovation challenges that norm by allowing older devices to embrace the USB-C standard that now dominates the industry. Ken Pillonel isn't new to this kind of inventive work. He first made headlines in 2021 when he crafted the world's very first USB-C iPhone. Now, he's taken that concept a step further with a line of iPhone cases designed to add USB-C ports to older iPhone models, ones that originally came with the Lightning connector. These cases are available for purchase on his website, Obsolescence, and he generously shares the entire design journey in a captivating video that delves into the engineering behind it. For years, Apple insisted on its Lightning ports, which force users to carry around a maze of adapters and dongles to connect their phones to other devices. This proprietary approach, while once cutting-edge, became a hassle as USB-C grew into the universal standard embraced not only by Android phones but also by Apple's own newer devices. Pillonel's solution offers a practical workaround for those who own older iPhone models and want to keep using them seamlessly in today's USB-C world. In his video announcement, Pillonel emphasizes the core mission behind his project. The goal is to give some extra life to those older devices by making them feel less obsolete. He has impressively created cases compatible with every one of the 20 iPhone models that rely on the Lightning port but can still run the latest iOS versions. These cases aren't just about port compatibility, they support fast charging, full-speed data transfers to computers, and even work flawlessly with features like Apple CarPlay. Plus, he's expanding the line with new color variants expected to roll out in September, giving users even more personalization options. If you have a passion for product design or engineering, Pillonel's detailed video offers a fascinating peek behind the curtain of this kind of hardware innovation. Beyond iPhones, he's also tackled similar modifications for Apple's AirPods and AirPods Max, enabling USB-C charging on devices that didn't originally support it, demonstrating a consistent drive to modernize and optimize tech to meet today's needs. Now, the question that might spark some debate: should Apple have embraced USB-C on iPhones sooner instead of forcing users to adapt to the Lightning port for over a decade? Does Pillonel's aftermarket solution challenge the company's design philosophy, or is it a brilliant workaround that benefits consumers? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Agree, disagree, or have your own ideas? Jump into the conversation and let's discuss.